Hello everyone, today we'll make a very cool homemade thing which is very useful and fast to do. Have a nice viewing. Since I started doing repairs in my apartment, I need a wall chaser, but I don't have enough money for it. Therefore, I made this homemade thing so that I could work as an angular grinding without dust. As you can see, all the dust goes back, and if you connect a vacuum cleaner, you can work without dust at all. As you can see, it really works and it's really easy to make, so if you like this video, click like and subscribe. If you don't like, click dislike. And see you in the next video. Bye.